You might not even know it, but if you don't buy parts for your Toyota from a Toyota dealership, you might be buying counterfeit parts. That's right, fake watches and knockoff designer handbags are not the only counterfeit products widely offered for sale, especially online. While counterfeiting has become widespread across all industries, it has particularly impacted automotive parts. The production and distribution of counterfeit parts, including counterfeit Toyota parts, is a booming worldwide business, and you may not be able to tell the difference. The counterfeit parts may even be packaged with what appears to be legitimate Toyota branding. But while the packaging and parts may look the same, they are not the same. They may not function properly, and they won't be guaranteed to work or be compatible with your Toyota and all its safety systems. The long list of counterfeit parts known to be sold illegally as Toyota genuine parts includes airbags, air and oil filters, brake pads and master cylinders, floor mats, and many more, including some that are highly safety critical. Even seemingly cosmetic parts, such as grills, may not properly accommodate your Toyota's onboard sensors and cameras, which risks compromising your safety. The quality and safety attributes of these counterfeit parts is a huge unknown. One thing for sure is that Toyota can't guarantee they are manufactured or tested to Toyota's high standards and quality control requirements. So, what protection do you have from such counterfeit parts? Look for Toyota genuine parts at your Toyota dealership, developed specifically for Toyota vehicles and rigorously tested to meet Toyota's high-quality safety and performance standards. For your safety and peace of mind, insist on Toyota genuine parts, available from your authorized Toyota dealership. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.